Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will start looking into the API test in Insomnia and see hopefully the services are up and running. Yeah, okay, see you then. So we just want to save the token and then we keep on saving anything that we need for any subsequent script. And the first one we want to do is when the user login, we want to save the token. So we're saving the token. I have created this one. Works a bit like it works a little bit like Postman, but it's not as friendly as Postman. But if you I think pick Postman right now is on paid subscription, so I'm not paying. I ain't got a paid subscription account, so I'm using Insomnia. Now Insomnia, I've created an environment called Ocean, as you can see to my top left hand corner here. And then this is the script which I found. So I'm going to copy this. If you want to, you can just Google, just say Insomnia test for whatever, and then you can get. It's similar to Postman, except that this bit is Postman, so you can replace where it says Insomnia with Postman, and then it will be more or less the same. So we've done that, and then in the next thing we want to do is create the first base is to create so if we go into product, open products, I don't know why it's closed, open products, open, and then we want to create a category. So I've just created a category, and because we are using that environment, the category we want to also save, run a script that says after response to a script, and just put this one here and say save category ID, gory ID, var Insomnia JSON respect responding to have a property of category. So we want this one, category ID, and this property is what we want to save. We want to save this property, and we say right, save it as this, and right, so we close it, and then JSON dot, we say JSON dot this one, so the JSON body, find this one, and so environment dot set this property from the JSON response dot this one, and then we say hey, we are saving this one, category ID saved to the web, save to the environment, and then we say plus this. Okay, so that is what we are logging. So let's hope this works. So let's create another category, the same category is it. Let's change that category to, let's say beauty or something like that, beauty, and then we say description is hair products, makeup, facial care, animal. Okay, so and then we say we want to create that one, and we got a category number 2. So this one is, like I said, this one is a bit funny. So if we go back to here, and then it does say that it has passed. It says it has saved category, and it says it has passed. And then we want to, the next bit is to create a product, which I've already showed you before, and then create a product using one of this category, and then obviously the second one, and then okay, let's do the product. Let's create a product, and then we are going to submit a bit for that product and add it to a cart. create a product for this particular one. Because this one is going to be just going to paste this one. Use this token, and then use this token, and let's see, let's go to the body. Let's use category 1 and smartphone. That also works, but did we do a test? We need to do a script, isn't it? So let's go to category and let's copy the script. And then if we go to can I do backwards? No. If we go to create product and the same one, put it there. We want to save. So if we go to preview, and then we want to save this one, saving product ID, and then we say right val json response is equals to insomnia.json dot response.json. Then we say insomnia expect json response to have a property, this one. Once it has that property, then we say set it into this environment, set it as this into this environment, and set this one. Then we are saying that we are logging that is being saved and what we are saving. Okay, so let's create another product. I think, yeah, so this, the test say it has passed. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is probably submit a bid. So this is like an end-to-end test, right? So we need to get rid of this one, and let me just copy this one from somewhere. So we've saved the token already and we are using it. This way our tests are easier, right? So it says okay, we've submitted a bid, and it says okay, let me see preview. So we submitted a bid, but I need to save that bid, so we need to submit another bid. Of course, we don't have a good violation for it to check that we've made one more. Of course, we can make more than one submit, right? So here we go. But we will change the price. So let's see if we want to take this bid ID. Is that the one we want here? We want to save this one. We say bid ID, and then we say take this and take this one, check this property, and then we say save it as that, and use this property and save it as that, and then we say we are saving this one, and this is the one we want to log. So let's do another one, but let's just make another give it another money for 400. It will actually give you an error if the price is lower than the thingy, which is a good test, which we can look into when we are doing the automation to make it easier, right? So let's see, it's 200 and we got a second bid. Okay, let me see if I can bid lower like that one and see what happens. You see there will be 500 error, right? That means if we go back and we go to product, that one, we go here, we see that error. We say it's a bid amount must be at least the buy now price. Yeah, so the buy now price is lower than what we have here. That's why it says 500 and what we have here. So if we want to bid, let's say 20, yeah, that one. So what we actually also need is that when the person bids, right, it has to be bigger than the last bid price. but we haven't implemented that yet. So that's another note I can make somewhere else. But we're doing good here, right? We're doing very good. We got 3 bits, and if we were to get all bit, I'm not sure if we got the endpoint, but if we were to get all bit, you will see all bit for this particular product, right? Beautiful. Okay, all right guys, we will end the video here and then continue in the next round. See you then.